Hey everyone, in today's video, you will learn how to create a morning brew-style newsletter in Beehiiv in under 5 minutes with no coding required. Let's get started by heading to Write and Post and clicking on Start Writing to create new draft. First, remove the title and subtitle. Instead, upload your logo as banner image in the settings in Design Lab. Under thumbnail, this will automatically add your logo to future post. Next, let's create those iconic sections borders. Click the icon next to the plus button and select group to section and then adjust border settings 15 px radius and 0.5 px thickness. Choose a light color and adjust the spacing to 5 px. For the headings and subheadings, type them in all caps and choose a custom color. Set your text to H2 and medium font size. If needed, bold your text and use Shift plus Enter to avoid extra spacing. Now let's style your hyperlinks. Head to Settings in Design Lab, go to Body, Text and enable inline hyperlinks with a colored underlined. Populate the rest of your newsletter with image and text and you'll have a professional looking design. The bottom of your post, you can add a referral program. Press slash to open the menu, select referral program and set it up under Grow to help grow your email list organically. Lastly, save your design as a template so you can reuse it in future posts without starting from scratch. That's it. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to earn or learn next. This version is more concise while still covering the key steps. Thank you for watching.